Okay, based on these figures that we just discussed, let us now do some calculation measuring the unemployment rate and measuring the labor force participation rate. It's quite simple, guys. Let's define again. Unemployment rate is the percentage of people in the labor force who are unemployed. So the formula for unemployment rate has to be equal to this. The number of people unemployed divided by the size of the labor force times 100. Okay. Let's go back. So what do we need here? 0.8 million unemployed divided by the size of the labor force, 12.5 million. Okay. So based on this estimated figures, the unemployment rate would be equal to 0.8 divided by 12.5 times 100. 0.8 million divided by 12.5 million times 100, you should get 6.4% approximately. In January 2015, the unemployment rate was 6.4% approximately. Okay, another important indicator that we can compute based on the figures that we have is the labor force participation rate. Labor force participation rate is the percentage of the working age population who are members of the labor force. From that definition, then we can come up with this formula. Labor force participation rate is equal to the size of our labor force divided by the size of our working age population times 100. Let's go back to the figure. What is the size of our labor force? 12.5 million divided by working age population, 19.2 million. Labor force participation rate is 12.5 over 19.2 times 100. You should get 65.1% approximately. So in January 2015, the labor force participation rate of Australia was 65.1% approximately. I'm sure you are fine with this, guys. Calculation of unemployment rate and the calculation of the labor force participation rate. Not that difficult to handle. Well done.